my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like.
Okay, guys, we're gonna check out some songs, right? We haven't done a song reaction, it's been a while. So let's do it. This is from the movie Oh Romeo, Pan Ki Dukaan. That's what the song's name is. Pan Ki Dukaan. It's a unique name for sure. Let's see who has sung and everything else in the description. Song credits, song Pan Ki Dukaan. Composer Vishal Bhardwaj. Lyrics by Gulzar. Singers is Sukhwinder Singh, Rekha Bhardwaj. Music arranged and produced by Vekdeep Boss. Okay, Shad is the star and Tripti Dimri as well. Let's go for it, guys. Ready? Let's go.
रोमियो ने मस्ती में पीछे की बस्ती में कल जो कबूतर उड़ाया
Oh my god, dance.
उड़ के मुंडेरों से कच्चे बनेरों से जूलियट की छतरी पे आया रोमियो ने मस्ती में पीछे की बस्ती में कल जो कबूतर उड़ाया उड़ के मुंडेरों से कच्चे बनेरों से जूलियट की छतरी पे आया चांदी का छल्ला लाया है बल्ला दिल का बना के निशान नीचे पान की दुकान ऊपर झूली का मकान बच के आना मेरी जान दाता दाता दही अरे नीचे पान की दुकान ऊपर झूली का मकान बच के आना मेरी जान दाता दाता दही नीचे पान की दुकान ऊपर झूली का मकान बच के आना मेरी जान दाता दाता दही नीचे पान की दुकान ऊपर झूली का मकान बच के आना मेरी जान दाता दाता दही
पान थूक दिया. Oh, damn. Is this Julie? शरबत तो नहीं लग रहा.
मैंने सच्चा सजाया तुम्हारे लिए और शरबत बनाया तुम्हारे लिए सारे झटक गए मेहमान मेरी जूली हैरान बच के आना मेरी जान दाता दाता सही और नीचे पान की दुकान ऊपर जूली का मकान बच के आना मेरी जान दाता दाता सही
From the beginning.
मकान बच के आना मेरी जान दाता दाता सही और नीचे पान की दुकान ऊपर जूली का मकान बच के आना
What's with the hats? Shahid is a star, man. Like, he's got this energy. He just lit up this track and the dance moves. Right? This I think that was that the music. And the purr and all that was coming in between was all great, guys. The Pan Ki Dukaan and the chick who lives upstairs seems very interesting. Kind of a story that is happening here. And kudos to the whole team who backed him up with the dancing, right? The energy was top notch. Seeing Shahid enjoying the song again brought a lot of smiles on my face. And we did see a couple of action scenes, right? In between, they had this dishub going on, the shooting, right? So that again enhances our interest in watching this film. Let's check out some of the comments and end this. At 91, someone written this lyrics, hats off Gulzar sir, legend for a reason. 91. Yeah, I don't want to be working at 91, but if he's this talented, you should, because people are looking forward to your work, right? The lyrics is absolutely fun, guys. I enjoyed the lyrics. Sukhwinder Singh's voice, Shahid's dance, perfect combo. Yeah, the music was again upbeat, but Shahid just matched it. That was the whole part that we enjoyed. Shahid's dance is fire. He is a fiery man that makes you the lyrics from the song. Sukhwinder X Shahid X Gulzar musical cocktail. Yeah, it was a fun cocktail. Delicious. It's delicious. Most awaited song of the movie was it. I'm glad we checked it out. That real goat hero is back. He is one of the goats. Shahid Kapoor, energetic star for a reason. Yeah, his energy is what makes his song pop a lot more. Who remembers Upar Gori Ka Makan Niche Phoolon Ki Dukaan of Govinda? Is this an old song lyric? I'm not sure. Oh Romeo, all-time blockbuster. It's probably gonna be one of those movies that touches your hearts again because Shahid is coming back. Right? So I'm sure it's gonna be a good one. I hope you did enjoy this reaction. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit on that bell icon so you can keep watching more music videos and rest of the content that comes on the channel. I'll see you on the next one. Probably gonna be a fight scene. So stay tuned and bye bye.
No filter, I got no filter.